guys. Ride tayo. December 31. Uh, 5:30 in the morning. Ay bang uh, activity tayo this morning. It's not the usual bike or run. Nasa best pa tayo ngayon. We're gonna do uh, the last ride of 2025. So check in with you later ulit pagka nasa highway tayo. Quezon Avenue at 6:17 in the morning. Yan, maliwanag na. Marcos Highway, that's 6:32.